Hey there, Webb's Reserve fans. Roberto Lee here at Webb's Reserve, and we are previewing this estate home by Lennar. It's the Bougainvillea floor plan, 3 bedrooms den, 2,800 square foot. You get the 2-car side load garage. This is an awesome layout. This home is ready for you to purchase. It's almost done. They're putting the final touches on it, but let's walk inside here and take a look. So with the Bougainvillea, as soon as you walk in directly to the right, that's your dedicated dining room area there, and you've got the dry bar right there off the side. Off to the left of the entry here, you have your den. You've got the dual glass doors here. Now, this is considered the den, but you could use it as an extra guest bedroom. You do have a walk-in closet as well, so you could convert this into a 4th bedroom. Now, let's walk across the dining space here, and we're gonna check out the laundry area and your guest bedroom. So right past the kitchen to the right, this is where you're gonna get into, that's your 2-car garage right there. And this is the laundry room space here. Tons of cabinetry and storage, utility sink, full-size washer and dryer. All the appliances do come included with this home. And now we've got 2 guest bedrooms right over here. So this guest bedroom here ties right into your guest bath. So you've got the pocketing door here. You can close this off or leave it open, close this other door right around the corner, and now this becomes your personal bath space here in guest bedroom number 1. Cool thing about guest bedroom number 2, that one ties in to the pool bath. So this one now can have access to its own private bath as well, because that's your pool bath here. That comes off of the lanai space, and then you've got your sliders going out to it. So both guest bedrooms have the option to tie in to a full-size bathroom. That's a really neat setup. Let's focus on the kitchen now for a second. Really nice and open kitchen. You've got the quartz countertops. You've got a gas cooktop, the vented hood. Nice open kitchen area overlooking a great room where you'd be sitting down, entertaining, watching some TV. You've got the eating kitchen area right here, so your morning coffee is spent looking right out towards your pool area. Off to the right, you do have access out into your lanai right here, but also you do have access through your main sliders going out there as well. We'll take a look at that in a minute. We're gonna look at the master bedroom here first. So towards the right, you've got 2 huge walk-in style closets here, his and hers closets. And then you've got the master bedroom space here with your bay style windows overlooking the lake. And you also do have your glass door that leads right out to your lanai right there. And then that takes us to your master bath here with your dual sinks. You've got the walk-in shower all the way here towards the back. There's your walk-in shower. You've got the soaking tub here, a seated vanity area, your enclosed water closet, another linen closet right here. This is an awesome home, folks. Last but not least, we have the outdoor living space here. So tons of room under truss here. So all of this space would be protected from the elements all the way across to that side of the home here. You do have additional outlets here and whatnot, so you can have it hang a TV while you're overlooking your pool and spa area. And then on this side of the lanai, that's where your outdoor kitchen would go. And this is a perfect space right here to have a dining room table sitting right next to your outdoor kitchen, overlooking your spa and your pool. And this particular home, which has a lake view right out of the back here. And you do also have golf right over there in the distance. You might be able to see the flag right there on the hole. So lake views, golf views, you get an awesome home here with the Bougainvillea. If you're interested in this particular home, it's ready to go. Send us your offer. You can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.